Hey friends, what's up? How are you? And I hope you fine. Let's start this video per day $90 to per day online earning. To make money online, how to make money online per day $90 from online job. Okay, so let's start this video. Please take full video watching and earn money online. So friends, please like, comment, share and my channel subscribe. Take to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share this video, and let's start this video. Okay, so first any browser open, google any browser open, and address bar, tap to address bar and try to write getclickout.com, getclickout.com. Please check the description box and video link. Enter her and make money online. Clickout.com, the leading online payment processor for universal performance globally. Okay, your first name, account and payment ready to account and account sign up. So A to Z, please full watching this video and right now. Okay, ready to for the future and every market. Your first name, last name, job title, company, email, phone number, company website, phone number, country and USD. Okay, and I accept these roles and submit efficiency. Okay, so let's start it. So you easy now way to income online earning. Okay, what's your name and job title? Discover, website and ready payments. Okay, what's your name? Type to type to your name, type to your names and last name and first name and last name. Okay, job title, your job title, your job anything's your job anything's title for jobs, job title and your company name and type to your company name and company names, your company names. Okay, type to your company names and email address, your email address. Please enter your email address. Tap to your email address and get to the email account and phone number, your phone number and provide a business email address. Okay, company website, anything's company website and a name. Enter your link and country and bureau process. Okay, submit efficiency, enter now. Okay. And then enter now and send efficiency. Please select this option USD below. Okay, you're earning monthly USD below. Okay, and send efficiency, your account already get back to your process. Okay, and then back to my back. Okay, okay, unified online payments process, learn more. Click how to learn more and get the faster, best performance and most reliable transaction with a gateway, actuator and processor built as one platform. Okay, you get all of checkout.com's latest feature and payment method through one instruction and possibility. Okay, reward gateway, coming for the worldwide and had a very extensive and fast API to a world where we had nice clean SDKs with checkout.com was transformational to us and allowed us to introduce and solution ready to quickly. Okay, and global business security and manager giveaway gateway. Okay, okay, region experience with distribution team. Okay, your result, create your performance and solution, Create your performance, enable to global payment everywhere, access details data you can on HSC and okay, enable payments method and universal, okay, and this last and this first themes and condition and contact and follow Facebook, Twitter, Insta, YouTube, link within inch, okay. How to source the checkout.com platform PCI complaints the checkout.com platform and this instance, okay. What makes checkout.com payment processing quick, okay. Payment processes and account for then online. You search to the Google, you search to the Google, make money online per day $90, okay. And this any information and checkout, okay. With only you installation you get all the latest feature and payment method and you have sleep, okay. How to easy second step, how to easy installation with checkout.com. Some manage and Instagram your standard to processing payment with less than 24 hours with checkout.com. Their suite of APIs are easy to use and will have the support of installation subscription alone. The way checkout.com's installation documents and account and latest account are available online, okay. Business aftering major create and debit credit some by Visa, Mastercard and MLX. Checkout.com offers more than 40 major and local payments method. Everything is major market in this US, Latam, Europe, Middle and the Asia traffic. Do you have instruction again every time I want to add a new payment method? With checkout.com Unified Payments API, you only have to install once, accept most payment method, adding a new payment method and simple, okay. 5 statement, yes, if you after checkout box, okay. Don't now follow me anything, yes, I do not additional to being SPD to completion and using the latest technology with its come to 3D source 2.0 and SCA and SCA, okay. How to sum this checkout.com anything's everything's and get started, learn more about this payment process, I hope already clear it, okay. Modern technology breed a int and payment method, okay. Payment method is a very easy and founder and CEO anyone, okay. Founder CEO anyone. Let's start make videos successful. Please take care your earning and online job. Please take love and tata, bye bye, see you next time. Please like, comment, share this video and subscribe. Do you subscribe channel? Thank you.